Hello ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome to our channel Authentic Cryptos. Is your boy right here. A quick one right here. Alright, as we all know, Paws airdrop is going to be listing tomorrow, the 16th day of April 2025. So to everybody that has received their Paws airdrop in their respective exchanges, I'm saying a very big congratulations to each and every one of you guys. And for those that has not received their tokens, I'll just have to let you guys know that there's no cause for alarm, there's no pressure, there's no cause to panic, right? Because the Pulse team has already made it clear, even the Bybit Alpha as well has already tweeted the fact that the distribution is still ongoing, right? The distribution is still ongoing and it will be ongoing from now till tomorrow, till 11:30 UTC before the listing, right? So we still have a long time to receive our tokens in our respective wallets. So if you have not received your token, just stick around your exchange and make sure you are checking back to back to know when it's drop. Okay, so this particular video is basically, or let me say mostly, for those that will be claiming on chain. All right, because and for those that has not received their tokens partially, this video still concerns you guys, because at the end of the day, if you didn't receive your tokens, then just know that you have the only option of to claim on chain as well. Okay, so that is just that. Now let's head straight to our wallet and see what we have right here. Okay, so I think this particular account, I have something right here which I'm going to be claiming on chain as well, because I didn't submit any address right here. So let me just type the Paws community link, which is paws.community. Just type Paws and wait for them to complete the remaining thing for you. Okay, so you come and type Paws order right here. You wait for them to bring the dashboard for you, where we'll proceed and see what we have right here and what we have to do. Okay, so I think it's loading up. Alright, so the Pulse dashboard has loaded up and this is the interface right here. So you just have to quickly come to this place that they wrote TG dashboard, right? So tap on TG dashboard, then click on the second one that says sorry guys about that, click on the second one that says Phantom Wallet. Okay, tap on Phantom Wallet, then you connect your wallet. Okay, wait for them to bring the sign up message. Okay, you confirm it. And beautiful guys, you can now see your statistics, all the statistics, everything you collected right here. So just quickly tap on the next button right here and you will see the allocation you have right here. Okay, so as it starts now, there's no address to this particular coin, so I'm waiting for the on-chain button to be enabled before we proceed with that. So if you come to this place that they wrote claim, let's tap on claim and see what is there. Tap on claim. They say terms and conditions, post token airdrop terms and conditions, stuff like that. So just check this button right here, then click on continue. Now you guys can see, tap on centralized exchanges, tap on chain withdrawal. No one is clickable, right? So this one has been terminated long ago, and this one is going to be open tomorrow, possibly before listing. So we expect them, they are going to open it for us anytime from 10 something to 11 something. It is going to be enabled for us to submit our address and claim to the exchange where we are going to sell it off. Okay, so just do well to be active and stay put, and make sure you claim as early as possible to any exchange of your choice. Then you can be able to sell and enjoy yourself, or just do whatever you wish with it. Okay, so I would have advised us to import our Phantom wallet, let me say the Phantom wallet, which is our Solana Phantom wallet, secret phrase to another decentralized exchange or another Web3 wallet, probably Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or SafePass Portal, Bybit Web3, BitGate Web3, and so on and so forth. But I tried it out and found out that at the end of the day, when you want to connect your Pulse dashboard to Solana, it will automatically redirect you back to Phantom wallet, right? So there's nothing we can do. Everything has to be done on the Phantom wallet. So as we all know, there is going to be a lot of traffic tomorrow in Solana and Phantom body as a whole, but I think we just hope that everything went smoothly at the end of the day. So you just have to make sure that you have some amount of BNB, though Paws also integrates BNB, but you just have to make sure that you have some amount of Solana in your wallet, at least $1 to $2 worth of SOL, where they are going to collect the gas fee for you to claim. So you come to home dashboard right here, just search on Solana right here, copy the address and give your vendor buy at least $1 to $2 worth of Solana. It's not going to cost you much, and at the end of the day, it's still your coin. Nobody is coming for it. So at the end of the claiming, anything that they took, you can be able to sell out the remaining one. So I have not bought anything, but immediately I'm done for this video, I'm going to be crediting my own wallet as well. So that is just that, and that is just exactly what I want to share with you guys. So you just have to stay put. So for those that has not received their token, also make sure that you have some amount of Solana in your wallet as well, so that if at the end of the day you were unable to receive it off chain, then be ready to claim on chain as well. So make sure that you stay active when this button is going to pop up, and I'll still keep you guys posted and noticed when it pops up for us to claim and withdraw on chain. So you guys can see what they wrote right here. They said will be available later, and this one has been suspended, so this one has ended. So will be available later anytime soon. It's going to be enabled, and you just have to copy your phantom just have to copy your Paws wallet address from any exchange of your choice. Come here, submit it, and receive your Paws in the exchange of your choice. So that is just that in this video. We hope for the best upon Paws listing tomorrow. So let me just show you guys, should in case they just enable the button for us, let me show you how to get your Paws wallet address from Bybit. So try to apply this strategy on any exchange of your choice. At least we have like some series of exchanges that has announced post listing. The major ones is Bybit, Bitget, and KuCoin. So you can use this strategy and get the address from that particular place, right? So you just have to come to your Bybit dashboard and click on this particular button that says deposit. You tap on deposit, come to search bar right here and type Paws, right? Sorry guys, type Paws and you will see Paws right here. Just click on Paws. Okay, just click on so right here and okay the button right here. So you just see your address right here. Okay, so you just have to tap on this copy icon right here. Just copy it this way, then head back to your phantom and submit it. So once the withdrawal enabled, they are going to provide us with a place where we'll be able to paste our address. So probably they may request the UID and the address, we don't know, or they may just request only the address. So that is just how to get that. And for you to get your UID, you just have to tap on the profile icon of your exchange and you will see UID, which is your user identity. So you just have to copy it. Probably if they request the both, that's what I'm saying, right? So you just have to copy it, then come back to the interface right here. I think I still have to take you guys back there. So let's just search for Paws. We tap on Paws right here. Okay, we still have to wait for it to come up. So you just copy both. Probably they'll request the address and the UID, but anyone they request, I'll still keep you guys posted as well, because I have this amount of Paws right here to claim on chain. So you just have to tap on claim, check this button, click on continue, then you have to choose this particular option that says on chain withdrawal. Then you see where you have to paste anything that they request, either the only address or address and UID. Then with a click of a button, you will receive your tokens in your exchange immediately. But you have to make sure that you have at least $1 to $2 worth of Solana right here that will serve as gas fee. Okay, so that's just that. All hands are locked, so let's just watch and see how Paws turns out to play tomorrow. So just make sure that you're active, just make sure to be early in the market, and let's just watch and see how everything turns out to be. And in my own advice, at the end of the day, this is not just a financial advice, but this is just exactly what I'm doing, right? Do well to sell off immediately you receive your token, regardless of how you feel about the market or whatever. But at the end of the day, like I said, this is not a financial advice, so you just have your choice to either do whatever you wish, right? So that is just that. So thank you guys for watching, as we hope for the best come tomorrow, the listing of Paws. And Paws listing time is 12 p.m. Nigerian time, 11 p.m. UTC, 11 a.m. UTC, which is 12 p.m. Nigerian time. So you just have to convert the time zone in your own local time zone, right? So and know when it's going to be listing in your own country. Okay, so that is just that, guys. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way next time, I'll keep you guys posted whenever there is any latest updates concerning Paws listing and any other crypto related information. So till I come your way next time, stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.